Hi, this is Sharon. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you something a little bit different. This is a care package that I got from joining Crafts on Air. It's I'm not sure how to even describe it. It's lessons online. It comes with video lessons, and it also comes with written patterns. There's different levels. Some of the classes are as low as like $25. Some go higher, I believe up to like about $99. And this one that I joined a couple of the smaller ones, and then this one came with this care package, and I just thought that it would be really interesting to try it. I believe this was the $99 one, so this one was a little bit more expensive, but I figured that the things that you were getting in the care package also were worth it, and it comes with a lot of great videos. It's all crochet. I did not mention that. It comes with a lot of great lessons for crochet and just tips and tricks and things like that, and patterns as well. So spoiler alert, I did open this because it was filled with that crinkle paper, and I didn't want to make a mess all over the place. So I took all of that out, but I haven't gone through what was in here. I just kind of removed all the crinkle paper, put everything back in, and then decided to open it with you. So let's see if I can do this without hitting my phone. There we go. Okay, so it comes with a list. Let me make sure my address is not on here, which it is. Okay. So it comes with a list of everything that's in here. There's video class bundle package, which is online. Then the different yarn, there's a cable DVD. So I'll show you. It's easier instead of going through the list. So it came with this Bernat soft chunky yarn. It's 100% acrylic, 108 yards, 99 meters. And it's gray heather is the color. Oh, there's some of that pink crinkle paper that I was talking about. Excuse my nails, I cut them all down and I'm starting them all over. And with this, it's Lion Brand jeans, and this color is faded. And I believe this is also 100% acrylic? Yes, 100% acrylic. It's 100 grams, 246 yards, or 225 meters. Both very pretty colors and both very soft. These are stickers. I like this one. Shh, I'm counting. And powered by coffee and yarn. I wish they had one that said powered by tea and yarn, but that's okay. I know a lot of people drink coffee. I'm just not one of them. Okay, and when life became too frenzied, she took up her project and breathed a while to the rhythm of the stitches and rose until her smile returned and her mind was calm. Oh, and it's a notebook. Well, that's definitely handy. Definitely for keeping track of rows on projects, or if you want to design your own projects. That's awesome. Oh, and it's a DVD for making this cabled hat. Awesome. Crochet, learn to make crochet cables. Very cool. Oh, and it gives you the pattern right on the back. Size 4 worsted yarn. Ah, so you could use this, I guess. Is this size 4? Oh, yep, size 4. So you could actually make this hat with this yarn. That's perfect. Chocolate. It says stitches, celebrate your me time. A blue and a pink. It's cute. Those will definitely get eaten. Oh, then this is tea, the perfect blend. And it's actually from King of Prussia in Pennsylvania, it says on the bottom, but it doesn't say what kind of tea it is. That's the only thing that I'll need to check, because oddly enough, I'm allergic to green tea, so I really hope it's not green tea. Otherwise, I'll be giving that away. But I'm curious as to what type of tea. The desire to create is one of the deepest yearnings of the human soul. And it's a candle. Oh, and it smells really pretty. White confetti box. It smells like, it's a very gentle scent, a little bit perfumey, but soft. I wish there was like smell-o-vision so that you could smell the scents with me. Oh, then these are just little cards. If I can't take my yarn, I'm not going. That's cute. I said to myself, I need to do something besides crochet today. And then I laughed and I laughed. Those are funny. These are cute. Maker You pattern book. Oh, easy to learn crochet and knitting patterns. Oh, look how cute. Oh, these are nice. I'm like really into anything granny square right now, so that's really cool. I'm making a granny square blanket right now. I should show you that. Oh, and then all the patterns are in the back. Okay, very cool. Corner to corner, that's another thing that I wanted to learn. I have a neat pattern for that I wanted to try. Oh, and the boots, I like that. Oh, and it comes with a bottom. See, I'm gonna have to try this one day. If any of you have made either knitting or crochet socks or slippers with these moleskin bottoms, let me know. I'm really curious as to how they work. That's a nice sweater. It's knit. That's easy for me. My background is all knitting. Oh, and there's the hat from the DVD class. Looks like they used both yarns in that. Maybe doubled up the blue. I wonder if they doubled up the blue. Oh well, I guess I'll find out when I read the directions. It's a cute t-shirt. Okay, so there's some really nice patterns. I've been seeing a lot of these poof things too. Oh, and here's a pencil. Very handy to go with your notebook. And the pencil says stitches on it. Cute. Don't want to lose that. Stay. And creature features. Oh, it's 30 baby booties. Oh, how adorable. I have a new grandnephew. Well, he's not so new. He's almost a year old. I think next month he'll be a year old. But some of these might fit him. I like the little lions there. Those would be really cute to make for him. Oh, these are cute. Okay, so that's everything that's in the box. And like I said, I just thought that it'd be really nice to share this with you guys. So here it is. I will put a link below to Crafts on Air. And the emails come from, I believe it's Brittany, Crafts on Air. And I will definitely share that link with you. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.